Hi everyone, in this video we'll create model for command features. So first open browse and write resource resource commands only index create destroy shallow throw. Save it. And so pretty much the same with like table. Command table relationship is pretty simple. So post has many commands and user has many commands. So okay, now let's create a model. Generate model command contain text post reference user reference reference. Okay, and I should check that migration file. Reference post. Alright, we're good now. Here's db migrate. Alright, let's check our model for command. Belong to post, belong to user. Okay, and for post, so post has many command, and also I want to order it on created ad on descending, save it, and on user has many commands, save it. So that's it for this video. Super easy, right guys?